Okay, this resin is eco-friendly and non-toxic and mixes with water, which I've just done. And I'm filling that mold that I did some blue mica powder on. And yuck, it looks like the 70s want their bathroom art back, and I hate it. So I'm being very aggressive and covering that blue thing up with black paint. Could have kept it like that. I actually kind of like it. I think it looks kind of cool, and I'm starting to really like it. Um, my name is Carla, just in case I didn't say that already. And I hope you like what I'm doing and follow me to the market. Anyway, so what I've done is now I've put some shiny eyes in there, and I think it looks really, really cool. But then all of a sudden, I am poking out his eyeballs and replacing them with some gold, and I think that looks really cute.